This time on the Paddock.
Where are we?
We're at Lime Rock Park.
Where are we?
We're at Lime Rock Park.
Where are we?
Why do you keep asking me?
It's the fastest road racing circuit in North America.
You guys have been doing this for how long?
Doing Memorial Day weekend?
Yeah.
Forever.
Good afternoon from Lime Rock Park. Today is load-in day. And while I'd love to tell you that today marks the official start of the weekend, we've actually been planning this for weeks, months, potentially even years.
I'm going to synthesize all this and we'll chop it up into a list.
So we're about a week away from our big race at Lime Rock Park for Memorial Day weekend, but the action actually starts here in the content space. We're packing up bags for all of our employees and some of our VIP guests.
We've got shirts, we've got tickets, we're gonna have lanyards and branding guidelines, stickers.
Whatever it takes, people, whatever it takes.
And it's just one of the little gestures that we like to do for people to sort of separate this event and really blow it out and make it over the top for people. So
I equate this as like playing the Super Bowl in your home state.
It's our first professional home race. There's only gonna be one first race.
So we have two 33-foot RVs that are up in our campsite. Our trailer that holds a C300 is gonna be filled with all of our t-shirts and goodies. We're gonna have two giveaways of shirts and all our swag up on the left-hander and now on the paddock.
So we wanna make sure that our crew shows up kitted out, you know, ready to represent the company and ready to have a good time.
So the load-in crew behind me, we're all set for day one here, Thursday at Lime Rock Park. The cars are all ready to go. Our company set on the hill is all set up. We even got our C300 here, so we're just gonna grill up some food since we're staying at the track, and tomorrow's when the real fun begins. Good morning from Lime Rock Park. Crew is up, we're having coffee and donuts. Because of no racing on Sunday here at Lime Rock Park, the whole weekend is condensed into just 2 days, basically Friday and Saturday. First thing that's gonna happen is practice session, and then qualifying in the afternoon, and then tomorrow the races, so.
Yeah, we're gonna have Michael pit first. Car's yours, and then clear behind. As soon as he's done with his tire change, you're gonna come in.
Day for you, Michael just went P2 and he's 55.4.
Yeah, Michael should be thrilled, right? And now he's just got to do it, you know, like 3 more times.
It's tires, I hear. So 3 laps, and then that's it, and then they fall off.
Yep, and towards the end I came in a little early because it just was the same, like I was doing the same laps. It wasn't gonna go any faster, I was just wearing away the tires, so.
Yeah, the tires are going to be a big thing, especially in qualifying. I think we're going to have to go out with stickers.
Like lap 3, 4, and 5 is gonna be, those are your chances. If you don't hit it by lap 5, maybe 6, then you're done. You're not gonna go faster after that.
Minutes, 5 minutes remain. Green flag, start of PCR qualifying.
Let's get on it.
So where'd you finish?
I think I'm 8th. So
Michael's what?
5th.
And so the field after 3 is basically what, within half a
4th.
second?
Scott was on the radio, said basically if I could go 2 tenths faster, I'd be P4 right now. I couldn't.
We're all there, I mean, within a couple tenths, which is what all of the whole field should be like, but.
But then tomorrow's traffic.
Traffic and yellows and restarts and things like that. So yeah, we'll have to see.
That about wraps up our qualifying day here. And, we'll be back at it early in the morning. Good morning from Lime Rock. Today is Saturday, race day. Behind me, Joe and the crew are just getting everything ready for our company picnic, which is happening later on this afternoon.
Oh! Did you get that?
Oh!
And we're hosting 175 people, so that's friends, family, the whole company, vendors, special guests. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna watch Nate and Michael take podium.
As if the race wasn't enough logistics, we have that too.
This throws a small wrench into it, but I'm happy to do it.
13 millimeter or 8 millimeter? 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter.
Definitely a 10 mil. You always look for that.
Well, Memorial Day weekend is the most important weekend here. And maybe most important, it's never changed. I mean, the track itself has never changed. From a spectator's point of view, the unique thing is there are no grandstands here. I mean, this is really a park.
Did you ever think your parents' company would be at Lime Rock?
For this? No, absolutely not. This is pretty cool. We sponsored a car last year, so to have 2 cars this year and have our entire company here, team here this year, and just see everyone with FCP Euro shirts is absolutely incredible. Because last year we gave out a couple hundred, so this year we gave out 4,000.
People are wondering what they have to do to get them, and it's nothing. Just come in with size you need, and you got a shirt.
A lot of people that don't know who we were, they wanted to know what we did, who we were, you know, what we sold. Then there were the other group of people that knew who we were. They're very excited to see us, you know.
We had one guy say that he put a face to the company that he actually loved. It kind of felt nice to know that these people appreciate what we do.
I mean, one of the biggest challenges when we brought on motorsports was how we were going to integrate motorsports into the company and how we could tie it back to everything that we do. And seeing everyone participate in this means that we did our job.
FCP, this is what we do. What we've been waiting for. 2 years building up to this moment. Just like in the famous line of Ricky Bobby, if you ain't first, you last.
Welcome race fans to the GP at Lime Rock Park.
2 other small details that I did not mention is that our president is going to give the Start Your Engines call.
Here to give the most famous commands in motorsports is the president and founder of FCP Euro, Nick Bauer.
Drivers, start your engine.
And our CEO Scott Droz is going to wave the green flags.
Green flag.
By the 98 of Lewis, but Eversley closes the door and controls it.
Michael's up in P4. This is his best drive of the season by far. Fingers crossed.
And he really had to check up, just trying to focus on the acceleration run off that corner. Michael Herzen came through for that brilliant 4th place finish.
I missed the shift on the start and lost 4 positions right there. That's why I missed the start. I was so starstruck as I was starting the car. I saw him. I was like so starstruck I missed my shift. And then I was creeping back, and all the Audis were attacking each other. And I'm like, basically I was just hanging back, having clean laps, waiting for them to all make mistakes, which eventually some of them did. But it was like I was catching them. I was catching past them and Daniels at the end. But it was just, if we'd gone green again, I probably could have had them. I just don't have time.
So Michael and Nate are behind us doing autographs. Again, one of our favorite parts of the weekend, especially when kids can come, and especially when their kids can come. So Michael's kids showed up, and it was really adorable, and it's really cool. We love this part. What does it mean to have your family here?
I think there's a couple things, it's a little bit of a bragging rights to kind of, you know, show off.
We spend a lot of time away from them to be able to do this, so having them here and be part of it and get to see what we do is really cool. And
it's great for my family to see where he is all the time.
Gives you a little bit of a lift because you know that they're here watching up on the hill. And
know that he's got his family supporting him and backing him, I think is awesome.
27 cars, 2 different classes. The standing start.
Command, 1 minute. Second starter.
We are in start sequence mode. We are back to racing.
Now with that championship lead, fast out a big, oh that's Herzen I believe, really wide.
Boy, he did a nice job of keeping it off the wall, and you can see those fronts digging for grip.
Rears are just really light in temperature, and And that caught him out there on this opening lap.
Indiana might have to come in. The water temp's okay right now.
Eversley's got the work to do. He's right in the meat of the pack right now.
Eversley coming up on the back of the number 72, and that is Nate Vincent.
200 guests they have here this weekend cheering their guys on.
Boys, how's the race?
Awesome, man. You guys are killing it over there.
What's up, guys? How's the race?
What's up, Mike? Good, man. Enjoying it.
Yo, Mike, yo, you guys got this, man. I'm watching it, trying to cut you off. That ain't working. FCP all day, baby. Give me the money.
Vincent tries to protect.
This is a pass for position. You know, so Vincent is absolutely okay with racing him hard.
Feel my heartbeat? It was intense out there. It was a close race. Everyone was bunched together.
Scott said to me, you don't get anywhere without taking risks. So I took a risk. It didn't work out this time, but builds character, so we'll see.
Not necessarily where we wanted to finish, but it was super exciting racing, and I think that FCP Euro was represented as best as we could at this event. So, walk away feeling very, very proud and can't wait to do it all over again.
Next time on the Paddock, we're coming to you live from Portland.
Oh, there we go! What up, kid?
How you doing?
Happy Labor Day, baby!
What are you excited for?
I mean Memorial Day. Whatever.